Hey friends, in this video, I will be explaining to you on how you can fix Google Chrome that is downloading very slow on your PC and laptop by showing you the very best way to increase the Chrome downloading speed. Okay, so first, pull up your Chrome browser and then on the right top corner, you can find three dots. Click on it and search for Settings. Click on Settings and on the left pane, you will find Privacy and Security. Click on it. You have to scroll down a little bit to find security. And then you will find an option that says secure DNS. You have to enable this option. Make sure it goes blue. And then on the drop down, you choose either Google Public DNS or Cloudflare. So for me, I choose Google Public DNS. After that, from the left menu option, you have to click on System. And here you will find an option that says continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. So you have to disable this one. You have to toggle it off. And once it's been done, you can go back to the left-hand menu. Click again Privacy and Security. Then you have to click on Delete or Clear Browsing Data. From Basic, you can go to Advanced. And for the time range, you have to choose all time. Okay, so for the options, you have to leave password and autofill data. So you have to leave password and autofill data unchecked. For the rest, you check them. Once it's done, you can now delete or clear data. Okay, so the time that it takes for it to load is depending on how much data you have. So kindly have some patience and wait until the procedure has been done. After it's completed, you have to click on Reset Settings, which can be found here again on the left pane. Click on it. Restore settings to their original defaults. Click on it. And then you have to click on Reset Settings. Once all these settings have been set to reset, you have to open a new tab. Type here Chrome, colon, /flags, and then hit enter. And in search flags, you have to type parallel. And parallel downloading will appear. So if your option is set to default, you have to enable this one. And then it will ask you now to relaunch. So you can click on relaunch. You have to click now relaunch. And it will be coming up again. So next, you also need to check some kind of faulty extension that basically run in the background because they slow down your speed and create more problems. So again, click on the three dots. Look for extensions and then click on it. So here, look for extension that you don't identify or you don't need. If you found them, I recommend that you either disable it or remove it. Okay, so for example, I don't need this Buster CAPTCHA solver for humans, so I can remove this one. Okay, so once it's done, make sure that your Google Chrome is up to date. Okay, so click again here the three dots, go to Help. Scroll down and go to Help, and then click on About Google Chrome. Now it will be checking for the update. Make sure you have internet connection. Now it will be checking for the update, and if there is an update that is available, it will automatically update. And once it's been updated, you have to finally restart your browser and restart your computer, and you will find that the Chrome downloading speed is much faster. So that's all for today, guys. Hopefully this video helped you. So if it did, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching.